Good morning, children. Now, this is the sixth class social studies. We are in the sixth lesson. What is that lesson name? Early civilizations. What is that lesson name? Early civilizations. So, in the previous class also, I said about this lesson some important points. We discussed many valuable points. Okay. Now, listen here. What is the economic life or economic conditions of the Indus Valley civilization people in India? For example, here mainly three things are there or four things are there. What are that? First, it is depending upon agriculture activities. In agriculture activities, they cultivated different kinds of food crops and food crops. Okay, for example, barley, wheat. Okay, so these type of. Next one, domestication. Domestication means so he observed the animals. What are the cruel animals? What are the gentle animals? So he started domesticating. So he feed them that gentle animals. So gradually they domesticated with him. Okay, so what are that animals? For example, buffaloes, cows, oxen, sheep, goat, okay, horse, donkeys, okay, dog. So these are he domesticated these all animals. With these all animals, he is taking benefit. Okay, for example, oxen. So for carrying the bullock cart. For example, buffaloes giving milk. For example, sheep and goats giving meat, okay, etc. Next one, trade. So they are trading with overseas. Okay. For example, they are trading with other countries. Okay. From Lothal. Lothal is the harbor of those days. It is located in Gujarat at present. Okay. Gujarat at present. So trade with other countries. For example, Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia means what? A place or land between two rivers. What are the two rivers? Euphrates and Tigris. Between these two rivers, the land is there. This land is called Mesopotamia. Okay. So now Mesopotamia is called Iraq. Iraq is present name, one of the country. Okay. So they are trading with Iran. That means Iraq, Mesopotamia, and Iran. Iran means Persia. What is that? Persia. And Egypt. Now also it is Egypt. Aiguptu in Telugu, Egypt. Okay. Next one, crafts. So they made some weapons and tools. Okay. Made of clay, made of iron or some kinds of minerals. Okay. So that is about craft. Next, children, their main occupation is agriculture. In this process, they cultivated the cotton crop. Why? Because cotton is important to make cloth for wearing the people. So that's why cotton is important. Next one, baked bricks. To construct houses or buildings or whatever it is, bricks are important. So that's why they baked the bricks. First they took the soft clay and they dried these bricks. After they baked these grips. With these baked grips they started construction of their houses, buildings, etc. Next animals. What kind of animals they are domesticating? So they domesticated some kinds of animals. I said already a few minutes ago. Okay, dog, cat, buffalo, sheep, goat, okay, oxen, cow, horse, donkeys. So these all are domesticating. Okay, because they are useful to him. For example, dog. What is the use of the dog? It will protect at night time. Okay, from wild animals. What is the use of donkey? It will carry some heavy loads. What is the use of horses? Okay, on the horse they will travel from one place to another place. What are the uses of oxen? It will carry the cart, bullock cart. Do you know? Likewise. Next one, Lothal is there, harbor place or port place. From this they importing and exporting. What is the goods available in their area? The excess goods are exporting to other countries. What is the good is not available in their area? They are importing from other countries. Here, what are the other countries on those days? They are trading with Persia, Mesopotamia, and Egypt. So these three countries are important: Persia, Mesopotamia, and Egypt. Okay, children. So I wrote here Mesopotamia means a land between two rivers. What are the two rivers? Euphrates and Tigris. Now it is called Iraq. What is that country name? Iraq. Next, children, social life. What about the social life? They are living in a group of people in a certain place. They constructed houses. They are helping each other. So, decorating themselves also. People fond of decorating themselves with some cosmetics, perfumes, etc. Some people are using ornaments, ring and earrings, nose studs, necklace, anklets, bangles, etc. Next one, children, food. I said agriculture is the main activity. So they cultivated or they produced food crops. What are the food crops? Wheat is important. What is that? Wheat is important. Second one is barley. And remaining crops also they already cultivated, they produced. But here their chief crop or staple crop is wheat and barley. Okay, children? Next to entertainment. For example, at present, what is our entertainment? For example, you are a children. You are taking your mom's or daddy's phones and playing games. Okay, on the cell phone. Otherwise, you are playing with your friends, cricket, kabaddi, etc. So they are the entertainment even nowadays. Okay, children, entertainment. For example, at present, what is your entertainment? Playing games, watching TV, okay, reality shows or serials, films, okay, etc. are entertainment programs nowadays. But on those days, what are the entertainment programs? So the main entertainment programs are dancing. Dancing is the entertainment program. Next to chess, playing chess is entertainment program. Dice. Next, bullfighting is important. Do you know bullfighting? So it's very interesting, but it is very dangerous, children. Okay. So that is why they are the main entertainment programs on those days of Indus Valley civilization people. Next to art. Art. Here they made of some toys or statues with clay. For example, Ammatalli, mother goddess. Ammatalli. They worshipped some goddess. Okay. So next one, even we found some kinds of idols made of metal. Okay, dancing lady or girl, worshipping priest, etc. Bedman, etc. After this lesson, I will show you in the textbook. Now you can understand easily. Next, what about religion? Now we are following some kinds of religions. For example, we have Christians, Muslims, Hindus, Buddhists, okay, Sikhs are there. Muslims are going to masjid. Okay, Christians going to church, Hindus going to temples. Okay, different people, different they believe to different types of gods, etc. But here also the Indus people they worshipped some kinds of goddess and gods. For example, religious. Their main god is Pashupati. What is that? Pashupati. Pashupati means here Shiva. Even today also the Hindus are worshipping Shiva as God, as their god. We know already. Okay. Next one. Not only Pashupati, but also they are worshipping earth, Bhudevi, and also water. Okay, Ganga river. Okay, Krishna river, etc. Next to sky, etc. Next to people, neemu, snakes, palm, they will worship. They used to worship snakes. Do you know snakes? They are very danger. Poison is there. But all kinds of snakes are not poisonous snakes. Some kinds of snakes are poisonous snakes. So better to avoid. Stay away from snakes. If you see any snake in your surroundings, don't touch them. Okay. But on those days, people used to worship snakes as their goddess. Even today also, some kinds of some Hindus are worshipping as their god snake. Okay, peepal tree. That means one kind of large tree. You know neem tree, Vepa Chettu. So they worship these all things on those days. Next one, fire pits. Fire pits means they performed some yagnas. యజ్ఞాలు నిర్వహించేవాళ్ళు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ వన్ ఫర్ యజ్ఞాస్ హియర్? ఫైర్ పిట్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. హోమగుండము ఇన్ తెలుగు. ఓకే, హోమగుండము. సో కాలిబంగన్ అండ్ లోథాల్ ప్లేసెస్ the fire pits found by archaeologists. Where they found the fire pits? Kalibangan and Lothal. So these two places, the archaeologists found some kinds of fire pits. What is the use of fire pits? Even today also many Hindus are performing yagnasu, yagasu, etc. Okay, it is conducting by priests or purohitudu in Telugu. Next one. We found swastik symbol also in the Indus Valley civilization area. What is that? Swastik symbol. Next, children, they developed one kind of script. For example, our script is Telugu language, we know. Okay. Now we are studying in English language. We know what is the script of English. We know what is the script of Hindi and Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, etc. So the Indus Valley people also they developed one type of script, but the archaeologists they could not explain that script. Okay, even so far. So that is about script. The script found in Harappa. Where they found? Harappa. Next, children, weights. They used to travel from one place to another place. They are importing some goods and exporting some goods. Okay, so weighing. Measurements are important. So they made these measurements same length or same weight they performing. So in Harappa, that means Harappan people, they made the same weight of measurements followed. Okay. Next one, fire baked bricks. What are their measurements? Fire baked bricks. Okay, in same size weights, etc. So they send these weights or measurements not only using by themselves in Indus Valley civilization people, but also they exported these measurements to Persia and Central Asia. Persia and Central Asia. Okay, next one. This civilization flourished in those days, 2500 BC to 1700 BC. But now we cannot see this civilization in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro or Indus Valley civilization in Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab, some part of Pakistan. They vanished. So what was the cause? What are the main causes of decline of their civilization? Here some believed. Okay, what they believed? Aryan's inventions. Due to the Aryan inventions, these people killed by them. But here, another man, Mahatma Wheeler, he said that is not. He said almost every year the floods are coming to the Indus River, and also some tributaries also there. Due to the floods and drying up these tributaries and Indus River, the people might disappear. So that was the main reason of decline of this civilization. Okay, children. So this is your lesson. Now I want to show you some pictures in this lesson. Now once you look at Economic activities of the Harappans. I already explained on the blackboard. So look at agriculture activities, domestication of animals, crafts, trade, imports and exports. Once you look at after this lesson, next children, social life. Look at this picture, how people are living. Next children, they made toys for playing to the children. Bullock cart. Next they found the king or the priest statue. Look at here, dancing girl. I said already about dancing girl. Next they worshipped Pashupati, Shiva. Look at that Shiva. They developed one script. So this is the script. We don't know what is the meaning of so far. Next measurements. Look at the measurements here. These are the measurements. Next this is bronze arts. Ornaments, necklace, earrings, finger rings, nose studs, etc. Next bronze spearhead, earthen pots, clay seal, copper vessels. Look at these copper vessels. Okay children, I shall explain to you the remaining lesson in the next class. Thank you.